Yeah, okay, guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lawal Emmanuel, and you guys are welcome to my channel where I'll be talking about so many things. Yeah, so many things. These are one of the things I'll be talking about unboxing. But doing some of the reviews and unboxing of the items I get for myself personally. So, and other things, and also I'm talking about designs or so many things, but guys should stay glued to my channel. And this is the unboxing of the Vinsa T608 controller knob professional graphics tablet. Yes. So this is the unboxing of it, and I've already I've already even removed it before I thought of doing the unboxing, because looking online on YouTube, I did not see so many reviews about it. It is really like, just I think I only saw one, and it was not even in English. I think so. It was not in English, so I decided to do a review of it, and so I only cut the nylon. I have not unboxed the whole package itself. So this is the papers inside. I got it for around 19,990. Yeah, 19,990, and the total fees is 20,190. And I got it from Jumia. Yeah, got it from Jumia. So that's the price. So are you guys ready? Are you ready? Yeah, Jumia. So this is the packaging. So inside this wrap nylon, so I had to remove the nylon, and yes, this is the first thing I saw. Surprisingly, this glove was not. I didn't see it inside the. When I was ordering for it, I did not see it as part of the this thing. Oh. But as I saw it, as I unboxed it, as I saw it, I was so happy. Like, wow. Because I was still thinking about getting a glove separately for it. And under the reviews on the on this item on Jumia, I was seeing some people saying that I saw someone posted, gave them 3 star, gave them this item 3 star, because he thought he was going to see glove and he didn't see glove. So I was kind of, feeling bad, like, so I won't see glove. And wow, fortunately for me, I saw glove. I was very happy, and I saw this bag. I think this bag should do for, when you're carrying it around, that kind of stuff. So actually, this is my first graphics tablet I'll be getting for myself personally. Yes, as I'm into designs, and just designs, basically 2D, 3D, so many designs, graphics, and all those things, motion design too. So I don't know what this one is for actually, but this is part of it. And the glove aspect, I'm just happy of the glove. And I think there's a knob. I'm coming. Let me um unbox. Let me loosen this nylon first. So guys, I've unloosed the nylon, and this. I don't know what this is for. I think this should be for the tablet. This, oh, the nibs. I think, yeah, for whatever you're drawing. And this one is even very, like this one I saw yesterday was going to make me happy. And this is the those are the nibs. This is the bag. Yeah, this should be the bag. So in case you're going out and not be carrying it along. Wow, makes sense. Oh boy. What is this for? I don't know what this one. I have no idea what this one is for. But sure, I'll say about it later. So that's the coming. Coming. So now this is the main item. The Vinsa T608 controller knob graphics card. Okay. How you guys can see it like this. This is the outside. It's from Chinko. You see those China. Vinsa with you. Then I think it should be very big. Digital tablets, pressure levels, blah blah blah. sample rate, active height. This is my first time going to digital drawing, and because I'm into illustrations, all these things, and so those are the reviews specification. So let me unbox it and see what we have inside. Give me some minute, guys. Okay, guys, I've removed the nylon off it and I've cut it. We're about to bring it out. Are you ready? I'm coming up. Oh shit. Well, my mom is again. Easy boy, easy boy, easy boy. Wow. Like wow. Oh boy. Easy, 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 easy. Easy. Wow, this package itself. I'm coming, guys. Yes, finally we are able to unloose it. Wow. This packaging will be here. Okay, now let's see. Wow. Look at it. Look at the knob. Can you guys see the knob? Yeah, that's the knob. This is very important to me. Like, this will be very important to my life because I don't know anything about graphics tablets. So we have the cord. This is the cord over here. What is this? I have no idea. But we'll take a look at it. And finally, the pen. Can you guys see the pen? Yeah. We have the pen here. Let's see what goes. Oh shit. Got the pen. Not bad. Is there anything else inside? Nope. So that's all. Let us unloose the tablet itself and see what we have inside. I'll get back to you guys. Give me some minutes. Okay, guys, this is the tablet right here that we have, and I'm going to remove the nylon now and see what I've got. Okay, let me just take it slowly because I don't want to hear any story that will touch the art regarding this tablet. So guys, remember this tablet, and since I have to use my two hand, guys, I'm coming. Give me some minutes. So we're about to unlatch it. I've cut it loose. What am I seeing? Some lines. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, baby. We've got you in the building. Can you guys see it? Yeah, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, no doubt. It's big. Yeah, it's big. At least not that big, but it's kind of making sense when you hold it and when you're drawing on it. Not too small, not too big. It's kind of medium size. A protective film on the surface must be turned off. Okay, so I have to look at the knob here. Where you to use to control the select whatever you want to select. And this is the drawing space where we have I don't think I can see the mark. Yeah, this is it here. This is another one here. So that's the drawing space, and this is the logo Vinsa. Yeah. And at the back we have got this sleeping frame that will hold it down so it will not sleep while drawing. And I think that's everything about the unboxing. I think it's making sense. Got the cord, got the pen, got the I don't know user guide. Very useful. You guys should read it. I don't know what this is for honestly, but I'll check about it. Most important glove. Then the most important of everything, this. Yeah, that's the unboxing of the Vinsa T608 controller. I don't know what this is for, but I'll read it. And yes, the back, very important. So when you're going out, you can just read it. Just like a female bag, though, you know. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe, and so I can do more reviews. And if I get anything again, I'll do more reviews of this. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my Twitter and Instagram page. Bye, guys. Love you.